Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a BMW 1 Series. First, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and your replacement H7 bulb. Safety is key, so make sure your car's ignition is completely off and the headlights are switched off. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Oils can shorten its lifespan. Handle it by its base or use a clean cloth. Now let's get to the bulb. To make things easier, turn your steering wheel to full lock, either left or right, depending on which headlight you are changing. Next, locate the small access panel within the wheel arch liner. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently unclip and remove this panel. Once the panel is off, you will see the back of the headlight unit. Find the round rear cover and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. With the cover removed, you will see the old bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from its base. This might require a gentle wiggle. Next, unclip the metal retainer or twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release the old bulb from its housing. Remove the old bulb. Now, take your new H7 bulb, holding it by its base, and insert it into the housing. Make sure it seats properly and is firmly secured in place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, replace the headlight unit's rear cover, turning it clockwise until it is tight and sealed. Finally, reattach the wheel arch access panel, making sure all clips are fastened. Turn on your ignition and headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully changed your BMW 1 Series headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.